Once upon a time, there were 4 elements: water, earth, fire, and air. And they now come in doll form. Ooh, this modeling clay will make great shoes for Earth. She'll need something nice and, well, earthy. Looks like a cross between a flower and duck feet. The perfect thing to wander the world. Fire's gonna want something hot, literally. Now melt this gummy into place. Ooh, lightning! That'll put some spark in your step. Water needs something silvery. Something she can really see herself in. Also, platform heels filled with water. It's on brand. Could probably use some goldfish, too. Air might want something see-through, like glass slippers. But who can resist something sparkly? These silver shoes will take you far. Ooh, and let's try on those lights, too. Now she'll look like a sky full of stars. Hey, do you have any cotton in your ears? Good. They'll make a great cloud dress. Now let's bring this balloon back to Earth, where it'll make for some nice tights. But who needs a mermaid dress when you can have the whole tail? Seashell bikini, classic as always. Now she's ready to hit the waves. Earth could use something flowery, or better yet, an actual flower. Now drip some hot glue drops. Smush them into a little flower. And every flower needs a pistil. She's a regular wood nymph. Let's turn up the heat for fire, complete with melted wax. It'll dry into its own unique shape. But what's flame without its flicker? Add a tutu and... baby, you're a firework. Air's like an angel, except maybe the hair. Let's start with a trim. Next up, how about some temp tattoos? Talk about a head in the clouds. But in the best possible way. For water, let's twist it up into a hurricane. And decorate with a bunch of these undersea treasures. Wow, she's got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. Flame doesn't need heat for a perm, just twist it up. It's like an explosion of curls. Earth needs to stop brushing with a pine cone. Why don't we braid it up for you? Tie it up nice and tight. And add a flower in her hair. Mother Nature always provides. Sometimes it's easy being green. You know, every angel needs wings. We'll just need some feathers on the back. And for an optimal flight, how about a cool breeze? Next, let's take this spiral toy and give it a whole new look. Add some fish and shells. And water has her own whirlpool. There's a surprise inside this old book. It's pressed flowers and also knowledge. They'll make great fairy wings for Earth. Like she's her very own bouquet. Gesundheit. Oh, look at all that slime. Kinda reminds me of lava. You can't go wrong with glitter.
Ew.
This should really get things cooking. Ooh, it's a flame! And fire's about to rise like a phoenix. It's manicure time. Earth can use some small grass. You can even use other colors. Some glue will keep them sharp. And speaking of glue, it makes great nails too. Now for a quick glitter dip. Come on, fire, raise those hands to the sky. Those new nails sparkle and shine. For water, let's recycle some plastic for some new nails. Color them ocean blue.
Wow.
Next, we're gonna use a shell. Dip it in some blue glitter and add a strap. Add some decorations, and it's a brand new purse. Aha! Inspiration strikes! Take apart pieces of a leaf. Fold the pieces up into a square. The piece sticking out can close it up. And another piece can be the strap. Just what Earth needs on a morning stroll. Now empty a matchbox. It's already a box, but a purse needs a certain sparkle. This will really lighten up Fire's look. What should we do for Air's purse? Ooh, a soft, fuzzy little cloud. Add googly eyes, because googly eyes. Now it's her brand new fuzzy buddy. Bubbles give Air just the right ambiance. Fire's got a real smoky look. Earth here is one with nature. And water's having fun under the sea. Oh, it's a fight for a crush. In this corner, we've got ice. And in this corner, fire. Oops. Careful, that's how rain starts. What the? They've turned into a pair of dolls. Short hair must be trending. Maybe not that short. These beads should help. Ooh, I'm getting a real flapper vibe. Now let's fix you up with some satin ribbons. Oh, careful, you've got a loose thread. Oh, a bob cut. Let's ditch that smudge. And maybe add a little hairspray. Ooh, nice updo. Who needs bangs when you've got sparkles? That look is on fire! And not just literally. Next up, let's fix up your footwear. Add some glitter, some snowflakes, and fill up those platform heels. So, anyone need a lift? For your shoes, let's melt some wax. Use different colors for a really hot look. Add a strap and slip them on. Let's go meet Ice. Hey, keep your hands to yourself. While you're down there, let's get you a new outfit. Ooh, ice cubes? Of course, some prefer crushed ice. Oh, it's fake ice. Quick, add it to the glue. Pretty soon, you're a real snow queen. Fire wants something spicy, like this literal pepper. You know, it could be a skirt. And try this for a flaming top. But we're not done yet. Ice can use some feathers. And for the final touch, a cool breeze. Let's fix fire up with some slime. Some glitter will really get things cooking. Okay, it's time we really bring the heat. With, what else? Some actual heat. These are just what our little firefly needs. This doll is not afraid of flames. I guess one girl's ring is another girl's tiara. What else could it use? Oh, thanks, Mr. Unicorn. We don't settle for narwhal around here. Of course, golden crowns are more traditional. But let's check out that scepter. Careful when playing with matches. Besides, we just need the used ones. A potty? Let's clean out that blue stuff. Now add other blue stuff. Glitter glue. All the fun of glitter and also glue. Another ring? It can be a faucet. For your brand new bathtub. Ooh, what's cooking in here? Well, by the looks of it, you! Ah, a hot tub? So how do we turn on the bubbles? Are you done with that plastic bottle? Cut out some shades. Now add snowflakes. She's so cool, I'm getting chills. Thanks, Charizard. Everyone's so generous today. These shades can take the heat. Okay, we're ready for a fashion show. I want to say they're both winners. But we've only got one trophy. Okay, it's come to this. Who will he pick? Guess he's the winner. Hey, I want a recount.